So my name is Lyndsey. I am a travel business owner and we love to renovate in our spare time as well as travel quite a lot with the family. So I've got a home Instagram account which is called Home at 345. That's where we document the renovation, and I also run my travel business through there as well. This was a 1980s bungalow, so we have stripped it back to literally the footprint and built it up to be a 4-bedroomed house. So we went for the True Handleless design, and this is in Cashmere, and it is absolutely stunning. We love it. It just goes with the theme of the house. It's quite timeless. So it is quite a large space, so we wanted to make sure we utilise the space fully. So we've gone for quite a large island, and it's got a lot of storage in the island, both front and back. We've also gone for a pantry design. I always wanted a pantry. It was one of my non-negotiables when designing the kitchen. And then we've got a utility as well, that we have all our washing machine and dishwasher, so nothing is on show in the kitchen, as we use this as our main living area. So in the utility we've got a built-in laundry chute, which is you put the laundry from the bathroom upstairs and it comes straight down into the laundry at the bottom in the utility. It's two different designs, so they're both cashmere, but it's the Carrera design for the utility and the True Handleless design for the main kitchen area. We love modern, we love simplicity, clean lines. I think it's quite timeless as well. I know something I won't get bored of, it's easy to clean. So we went for Decton worktops, which is quite a luxury, but it's been the best investment because they don't stain, they're easy to clean, and they just look absolutely stunning, and it goes perfect with the kitchen. For me, it is the hidden utility. I love it. I just go in there, get all the washing done, all the dishes done, and there's no mess outside in the kitchen. And you actually don't know that utility's there. You would never know it's there. I love the fact that everything's hidden away. So we wanted to add some bronze colour into the design just to break it up. So we've gone for bronze trim with the lights as well all around the kitchen. So of an evening you can put the lighting on and it looks absolutely gorgeous of an evening. And I wanted to keep that theme going, so I've gone for stools with bronze on. It just flows really, really well with what we wanted. In our old house we had a DIY kitchen. I hadn't heard of DIY before, and it was recommended to us by our builder. So we went with their judgment and we got a DIY kitchen, and we absolutely loved it. Got loads of compliments in our old house, and there was no doubt we weren't going to go with DIY again for this renovation. The delivery was spot on, I can't fault it. The guys came, brought all the pieces into us. They were so nice, so helpful. It took about a week to fully install the kitchen, but there is quite a bit to the kitchen because we've got the utility as well. But it was done perfectly, there was nothing that we had to change or amend. It was done really, really well, and it all went together, which is why we love using DIY.